Medical wearables are the future of patient care, and to provide leading-edge medical technology, engineers and wearable device manufacturers look to partner with Sur-Seal. As an experienced 3M preferred converter, our expertise is working with engineers from material selection to launch. Whether that be for thermal management, gasket, or skin contact adhesives, our die cutting and laser cutting processes support rapid prototyping all the way through to production. And with clean room converting and white room assembly, we deliver customized solutions using high-quality 3M materials that meet ISO 13485 requirements while working as fast as our customers need to move. So, when you have a medical wearable design in mind, think of Sur-Seal. Sur-Seal Advanced Material Solutions. Contact us now to learn more.